Students, in this lesson or in this video lecture, we will see some reactions of haloarenes. So far, we have studied chemical reactions of haloalkanes or alkyl halides, in which one remarkable reaction was Wood's reaction. In Wood's reaction, two molecules of alkyl halides reacts with sodium in presence of dry ether to form higher alkane. Remember students, to form higher alkanes means two molecules of alkyl halides plus sodium in presence of dry ether, and we obtain higher alkane. So that higher alkane is obtained, and therefore one drawback of that reaction is we cannot form methane with the help of Wood's reaction. Similar to Wood's reaction, we have one chemical reaction in case of haloarenes, and that reaction is called as Wood's fatigue reaction. Wood's fatigue reaction. Now, many students can identify there is a word Wood's, means this reaction has quite relationship with our normal Wood's reaction in case of alkyl halides. Yes, it has, because our Wood's reaction had reaction between two alkyl halide molecules and sodium. Here, Wood's fatigue reaction is reaction between one molecule of alkyl halide, one molecule of aryl halide, means it is the reaction of one molecule of aryl halide, one molecule of alkyl halide with sodium in presence of dry ether to give substituted aromatic compound. Simple reaction it is. I will write example of this reaction. One molecule of aryl halide, one molecule of alkyl halide. Remember students, it is aryl halide, that is bromobenzene. This is alkyl halide, that is bromomethane, plus sodium. It is exactly same that Wood's reaction also had two molecules of sodium in presence of dry ether as a solvent. Dry ether as a solvent. Same thing will take place, students. These two bromine atoms will go with sodium to form 2NaBr, and I said main product will be substituted aromatic molecule, means this CH3 will go in place of bromine and we will have substituted aromatic ring. Substituted means CH3 will get substituted on the carbon atom in the place of bromine. So our byproduct will be 2NaBr and main product will be toluene. So main product is toluene plus 2NaBr is the byproduct. Bromobenzene methyl bromide reacts with sodium in presence of dry ether to give toluene or methyl benzene plus sodium bromide. I hope you have understood this reaction, students. Wood's fatigue reaction. Students, there is a small extension in Wood's fatigue reaction when only aryl halides take part in such reaction, then this reaction is called as fatigue reaction, and biphenyl is the byproduct. So we will try one reaction of this type also. Therefore, two molecules here we had taken one molecule of aryl halide and one molecule of alkyl halide. We will complete the names of this reaction. Bromobenzene, methyl bromide, product is toluene and 2NADR. Let us move to Fittig reaction. 2 molecules of chlorobenzene we will take, means only aryl halide will be the participant, plus 2Na. Remaining conditions will be as same as the previous. Dry ether, and these 2 chlorine atoms will go with NABR to form 2NaCl as the byproduct, and 2 benzene rings. These 2 benzene rings will get connected to form a biphenyl. I will draw the structure of product. Biphenyl. This is biphenyl, and byproduct will be 2NaCl. So in this reaction, 2 molecules of aryl halides reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, and product will be biphenyl plus 2NaCl as a byproduct, and this reaction is called as Fittig reaction. Next reaction in this sequence, students, Friedel-Crafts reactions. Friedel-Crafts reactions. We also say such type of reactions FC reactions. In our 11th standard, we have studied Friedel-Crafts reactions, that is Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation in case of benzene. Today, our Friedel-Crafts reactions will be in case of chlorobenzene, that is aryl halide. So, first reaction will be Friedel-Crafts alkylation of chlorobenzene, and second will be Friedel-Crafts acylation of chlorobenzene. So, we will go for FC alkylation of chlorobenzene. Statement for this is, students, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, when chlorobenzene reacts, we are discussing for the specific chlorobenzene. When chlorobenzene reacts with methyl chloride, chlorobenzene reacts with methyl chloride. In general, we say when aryl halide reacts with alkyl halide in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Here chlorobenzene reacts with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, and we will have a product. Let us write the chemical reaction. Chlorobenzene plus methyl chloride anhydrous AlCl3, chlorobenzene plus methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, we get product. Hydrogen and chlorine will get attached to form a byproduct, and this CH3 will be on the place of hydrogen. So we will get toluene as the product, but such type of displacement takes place 2 times, students. Therefore, for balancing, we write like this. We will have first time this methyl group will displace the hydrogen from ortho position, and second time this methyl group will displace the hydrogen of para position. So we will have accordingly two products and two hydrogens and two chlorine atoms. So we will have two HCl as the byproduct. So main product will be chlorine will be on its position only CH3 at ortho position plus chlorine CH3 at para position plus HCl, 2HCl. Therefore, in this reaction, we have written our main products: methyl group at para ortho position, methyl group at para position, and plus 2HCl. Let us write names of these products, students. There are two groups attached to benzene. One is chloro, second is methyl. Alphabetically, chlorine comes first. Therefore, numbering will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, numbering will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, on first carbon, chlorine is attached. On second carbon, methyl group is attached. Here, on first carbon, chlorine is attached, and on fourth carbon, methyl group is attached. Therefore, name of this compound will be 1-chloro 2-methyl benzene. Here 1-chloro 4-methyl benzene. Now we can easily understand, students, which will be the major and which will be the minor. At ortho position CH3 is attached, this compound will be minor product, and CH3 group attached to para position will be the major product. Second example of Friedel-Crafts reaction is FC acylation. In Friedel-Crafts acylation, students, aryl halide reacts with acyl chloride. Aryl halide reacts with acyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to give the desired product. For that, as similar to our alkylation reaction, we will take chlorobenzene as the aryl halide and acyl chloride will take acetyl chloride. So our reaction will be chlorobenzene plus CH3 C double bond O Cl. This is acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Now, what happens in this reaction, students? In first product, this CH3 C double bond O, CH3 C double bond O group will replace the hydrogen at ortho position, and in second product, CH3 C double bond O group will replace the hydrogen at para position. So, accordingly, we will write down the product. hydrogen and hydrogen, two hydrogen atoms which will be freed from these positions, they will form HCl from this chlorine. So we have two products like plus CH3 C double bond O and chlorobenzene, CH3 C double bond O and chlorobenzene plus 2HCl. This compound, students, we can easily come to know AR C double bond O CH3, that is AR C double bond O R, AR C double bond O R. This is ketonic functional group and this compound is called as acetophenone. Here, as compared to acetophenone, on second carbon chlorine is attached. Here, as compared to acetophenone, on fourth carbon chlorine is attached. Therefore, name of this compound will be 2-chloro acetophenone minor product. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-chloro acetophenone, and this will be the major product. For this type of reactions, you will have to practice, students, and Friedel-Crafts reactions, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation reactions.